Thank you for purchasing Core-Flo DC Lite. How do you perform a core buildup with Core-Flo DC Lite? Prep, isolate, and apply an adhesive according to the manufacturer's instructions. Dispense a small amount of the material onto a mixing pad to eliminate voids and place a dispensing tip on the syringe. Dispense Core-Flo DC Lite and build up the core to the desired height and shape. Light cure for 40 seconds. We know you're a pro, but here's a helpful tip for using Core-Flo DC Lite. When using Core-Flo DC Lite for post-cementation or under crowns, BISCO recommends the use of a dual-cured adhesive such as Universal Primer that does not need to be light-cured. See, core buildups are made easier with Core-Flo DC Lite. Don't forget to read the instructions for all the insider info on how to best use Core-Flo DC Lite. Call us at 1-800-247-3368 for any questions.